All right, this QR code video is for group 1. If you're in group 1, you are on the right QR code. If you are not in group 1, which is Jonathan, Autumn, and Tristan, you are in the wrong QR code and you need to scan the other QR code and watch that video. So this video is for group 1. You are going to be going to Google Classroom. It is the red box right here on Clever. When you get to Google Classroom, your screen is going to look like this. You're going to click the one with the C that says classwork. You're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says reading, and you're going to look for Dr. Seuss Research. When you get on Dr. Seuss Research, it is a YouTube read aloud of an informational text about Dr. Seuss. Now, why are we learning about Dr. Seuss in our research project this week? Because it is Dr. Seuss week, and we're learning all about cool things about Dr. Seuss. So, after you listen to this book, you are going to get the text, the paper in book bin 2 and fill out 5 facts about Dr. Seuss that you learned from the text. 5 facts. Okay? When you finish filling out your 5 facts, you can take an AR test on this book. I will have the AR code written on the board for you to take the AR test. You come to the center 2 days. So the second day when you come to the center, you are going to do this page where you will list 2 of your favorite facts in a writing format. So I would say what I learned about, like, an informational writing. So what I learned about Dr. Seuss was list 2 facts and say, I know this because in the text it said blah, 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 blah. So I would say, what I learned about Dr. Seuss was that he was a famous writer. I know this because in the text it said he wrote this many books. I also know that Dr. Seuss, and then tell me another fact and tell me how you know that. This is what I learned about Dr. Seuss. Okay, you're going to write that in a writing format. Make sure you have capital letters, punctuation, and finger spaces. Good handwriting. I don't want to see really rushed, sloppy handwriting. I want to see that you took your time and you really focused on trying to make this really neat so I can read it. Eric says no chicken scratch. I'm sorry, Mr. Monroe says no chicken scratch. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're following directions. When you're done, you're going to turn this into me when you finish both pages. As long as I don't have any friends at my table. If I have friends at my table, you wait until I'm done and you get on Lexia. If you've met your Lexia goal, you're just going to get on my own and read and take AR tests until my friends leave my table, and then you're going to drop this off at my table, okay? Make sure your name is on it right here on the front, okay? All right. Good luck. Have fun. Do great things. Bye.